Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and you can see this is my first video. This is my first video on this channel. So if you're new here and you don't really know me, please kindly hit that subscribe button because I'll be sharing educational content on how to trade boom and crash, and also strategies on how to scalp boom and crash, also how to catch the spikes on boom and crash. So today's video being the first video I'm posting on this channel, and is a price action strategy. So I'm going to show you guys how to trade using RSI and ATR. So you can see on the chart here, I have hidden divergence that is signaling price about to reverse at the resistance level. So, but we still wait for price to confirm first before we will now short the market. So this is 15 minutes chart. As you can see here, we're on the 15 minutes chart, and first thing you have to do, you have to draw your key psychological levels. So when you draw your key psychological levels, then you pay attention to those levels, okay? So right now, I'm going to spot the key psychological level first. So here, this is how I spot my key psychological levels. Right now on the 15 minutes chart, what I do first, you look for a kata for most obvious touches on the 15 minutes chart, okay? Kata for most obvious touches. So that level right now, the psychological level, right? So that's the psychological level. So why that level is a psychological level right now is because you see, this was resistance, okay? First touch, second touch, and this, it broke out, it came back, retested it, which now became swap region, and it turned to support, okay? Turning to support now, it went up, came back, though it didn't really go to that support level to retest it. So let's consider that it came back and tested that level, making it fourth touch. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So now pushes up again, came back again, and there was confirmation candle there, another confirmation candle there. It now pushed up again. It came back, it tested that level. So you can see right now, price just bounced off that support level. All right. So now this is a potential support level. So I call it psychological level. So being psychological level, you should be paying attention to this level, right? So this market structure right now is where you can take your trade on 15 minutes chart, right? So now when you're looking at the ATL and the RSI, and you put your trend line to the upside and also put your trend line to the upside, and you will see that this is now hidden divergent. This is indicating that price is about to reverse at the top there, right? Price is about to reverse at the top there, and also here, okay? Right? So now, for RSI, we have already got a confirmation that price is trading above level 70, which is heading up. And once we see price reversal candle on the charts here, that is when we will now sell this market. You don't have to wait for price to get to resistance level when you're trading using ATR and RSI. So now this has already confirmed that price is about to drop. So we are waiting for this ATR to push to this upside and also test that, excuse me, and also test that trend line, okay? Once it tests that trend line, we will now sell the market once there is a confirmation. That confirmation candle might be either a strong bearish candle signaling that price is about to drop. Like we can see two long candles, 1 and 2, then we can now take our entry somewhere around here. But if price should push to that level, then we now see long bearish candle 1 and 2. You must wait for 2 candles to close bearish before you now enter on the third candle and then hold it all the way down, right? So when you are doing this, make sure you're on the 15 minutes time frame to check the market structure and also spot for key psychological levels. So once you are able to do this, you will be able to trade with price action. So price action is the best strategy. You guys know that is the best price and is the best strategy to trade the financial market. So when you understand price action and understand market structure, it will help you trade the financial market successfully and also like a pro. You understand? So make sure first thing you do, you spot for key psychological levels, and also you look at the RSI and ATR where it's pointing to and where it's pointed to, and then you now put your trend line to the upside and put your trend line again to the upside. Make sure these two correspond, which means that they must all face the both of them must face up. It must face up for you to be able to get your entry. So now if I want to get another confirmation, I can either put my trend line here, right? And also put my trend line here again. Okay. So now this is like a rising wedge. This is like a rising wedge. So once there is a breakout of this trend line, that's if you want to get multiple confirmation, you can wait for it to break out of the trend line at the RSI and also the ATR, then you can now sell. But this will take you longer time for you to get an entry. But it's always advisable for you to get confluence of series of confirmation before you take the trade. Okay. So right now, this is acting as our support and this is acting as our resistance, and also here is acting as our support and that acts as our resistance. So once we have a breakout of that trend line and also breakout of this trend line, it will confirm sell signal for us. But if you're not going to be patient enough, you can either sell when you see strong bearish candle, like 2 strong bearish candles signaling that price is about to reverse because of the ATR here and the RSI, you can now sell. Okay, so this is a very simple strategy. If you're new here and you don't really know me, my other channel for Boom and Crash, I converted it to Forex channel. I only post Forex content there now, and I'm creating this new channel because I want to focus only on Boom and Crash on this channel. So everything that I'll be posting on this channel is going to be about Boom and Crash. Anything you need about Boom and Crash, you will always find it on this channel. So hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a smash like button and like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any video suggestion you want me to do, please leave it in the comment section. I will look to it and then I'll get back to you guys. So also, if you want to join my free Telegram channel for Signal, you can check in the description below to join my free Telegram channel. And also you can contact me directly on Telegram at GFlexFXBull. And if you have any question, you can hit me up there. Also follow me on Instagram for more education, for more motivational content and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I remain GFlex and I'm signing out.